Works Unit 1. My name is Blanca Cecilia Fernandez Lagos. Teacher in training. Work presented as requirement in the subject of English 6. Tutor Figueroa Ramirez, Andrea Paola. Who's your closest friend? How did you meet? My closest friend is called Carol. I met her playing basketball in high school. She was the one who spoke to my friends because she is a very social person. She is um, she is in Bogota, working currently live for work reasons. By will thank every time we chat and we are always meet on vacation. How many friends do you have on social working? I am the type of person who doesn't like social networks. I only and family and close people no more than 100 people, but among all my friends, I am the one who uses social networks the least. Who were your friends when you were a grown up? I love friends because in the neighborhood I grew up, uh, there was a small park that was very nice, and I always play with my neighbors and classmates. It was very nice, and because every day you could make a new friends. Do you have any friends that have exactly left explain why? No, I'm not a person with many friends, but I think the ones I do have exciting lives because they are the people who do what they love. For example, Carol has her own market company, and my friend Diego is a great musician. That's why they are people that I love and I admire. I love. Thanks.